Welcome to our lesson about zebra stripes. Like the curvature tool, zebra stripes is a good way to evaluate the smoothness of your surface. Let's go take a look at my support sketch. At this point, the entities share tangency as well as equal curvature. At this point here, they share only tangency. And at point number 3, they've got only a simple connection. Let's exit this sketch. We'll go to the Evaluate tab. And let's activate the Zebra Stripes command. First, we can choose between two options, zebra stripes or an image from a file that we browse for. Next, we can specify the number of stripes, the stripe thickness, and the stripe accuracy. We can also adjust the stripe color if we need to. Here we can choose between horizontal or vertical stripes. To better evaluate the surface, we're able to rotate the model if we need to. As you see, the transition between the surfaces that share tangency and curvature is pretty smooth. The transition between the surfaces that share only tangency is more abrupt. And the transition between the surfaces that share only a simple connection, well, it looks pretty obvious. All right, let's click OK and check on another example. Activate the Zebra Stripes command. The horizontal stripe option is selected. Let's switch it to vertical. Now, if the concept of the stripe seems confusing, try to imagine it like this. Envision your model located inside a room. Let's say the wall of this room has horizontal or vertical stripes. Your model is made out of glass, and it reflects the image from the walls of this room. That's kind of what we're seeing here on the screen when we use the Zebra Stripes tool. Let's click OK. To deactivate zebra stripes, just click the tool a second time. And this concludes our tutorial about using zebra stripes.